Ladies and gentlemen, to your right, the largest aircraft ever built in the country of Japan, the Kawasaki C2 aircraft. Kawasaki C2 can carry about as much as an A400. There's two of them here if you need a comparison. You'll notice a very conventional layout setting. This is obviously perfect for tactical insertions if it should come to that sort of thing, to deliver cargo or troops onto unprepared or rough surfaces.
Flyby for you to capture on video or still.
Impressive manoeuvre in such a large.
This is the Kawasaki landing on the Kawasaki C2.
Operated by the 402nd Tactical Airlift Squadron of the Japanese Air Self-Defense Force. Always great to see them here at Avalon.
And we thank the Japanese